Hello everyone. This video is being made about my aquaponics experiment. This experiment has lasted for just about a year. The tomato plants that you see growing in the grow bed were originally planted as seeds in this greenhouse. After I moved them to the garden and they grew the entire season, I decided to build an aquaponics system. The aquaponics system consisted of a 300 or 330 gallon IBC tote, which I cleaned out, and I had a frame from a second tote which I used as a grow bed. I washed river rock and used river rock as the grow medium. As the weather was getting too cold outside, I cut pieces off of the tomato plants out of the garden, brought them in, and simply stuck them in the gravel. No roots, no anything. The majority of them survived. The tomato plants you're looking at are over a year old and are Roma and Roma and Rutgers tomato plants. Included in the grow bed are a couple other spare plants that I planted, some lettuces, and something else that I really couldn't identify. Not sure what that is. I'll try to get a view. Maybe you can tell me what it is. I learned a lot from this system over the year. I used tilapia for the fish. The basic idea behind aquaponics is that you use the fish waste and the nitration process in order to provide the food for the plants. The plants then clean the water so that it's safe for the fish. You can see a few tomatoes still. Yesterday I did a big cleaning in here, pulling out several plants and discarding them. I think some of these vines are easily 8 to 10 feet long. Again, not many tomato plants ever get to be over a year old. I'm considering making some cuttings off of these and putting them in a special garden. See how long I can keep a tomato plant alive. I apologize for the mess. This greenhouse is in the process of being demolished as we get ready to build the new one. As for the plant I couldn't identify, this is it right here. I'm not sure what it is. Never seems to have made anything that looked edible, but I'm sure it's a vegetable of some sort. The tilapia are in this tank. I originally started with about 20 tilapia and a dozen catfish. I'm not sure how many are left. I know there's some in there. I'm going to guess there's 2 or 3 catfish, maybe 5 or 6 tilapia. During the winter I had problems maintaining my pH. Ammonia was never a problem, nor were nitrates and nitrites, but the pH seemed to be a constant battle for me. My next system, I'll use a much larger grow bed. I'm going to expand the grow bed about 3 times. I think that was part of my problem, was I did not have enough vegetables growing to support the fish. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and have a good day.